she can conveniently pass as your sister. Come on, see what's up on Lobie.
You mean my stepmom?
Oh, yeah, and you want to be also for me, pay Mom say it shall I see.
And now, because I was just going to ask you, Pekilo she memory.
Please forgive me.
Yeah, I told you about Yatobi Miloma Gogon. My stepmom, she's a very young woman. Kotobi Miloma.
I see. But she's nice in Shashon Shidadasi.
On my own farms, you know, she's always trying to be well behaved. But we won't go to my she enjoy and she the real matter of enjoy our gombashi. Me in particular, because she irritates me a lot. I don't like her. All that longe. I don't like her.
But Ayo,
yeah.
She won't see be more from daddy.
Mommy, you got to be my friend. I will come to follow my she. But ya kaya mata go lolo from daddy. I do not know. I don't know.